Hi, good morning. Today's topic is angles. Okay, now we see definition of angle. The figure formed by two rays or two line segment meeting at a common end point is called an angle. Okay, this ray and this ray in joining point is O. This is a angle. Okay, what is ray? Ray has one starting point but no end point. A, B is a ray. Starting A is a starting point and B don't have the end point. We denote the arrow mark. Okay, what is angle? The figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point is called at an angle. Okay, the symbol of angle is this one. This is angle. Okay, it's like a less than symbol. Okay, angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. You see the protractor in geometry class? Yes, this is the protractor shape. Okay, half semicircle. It is used for measure the degrees. Okay, then parts of an angle: arms, vertex, and name of the angle. Two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. Two rays is called arms of an angle. That is, OA is a one arm, OB is another arm. Okay, then O is a vertex. Common point is called vertex. And the name of the angle, what is the name of this angle? AOB. We have to say BOA. Okay, and then we give the another example. We can write angle AOB as angle AOB. Okay, center is the angle. Okay, then OA is a arm and OB is a arm, and this is angle. O is a vertex. We see the another example. D, the name of the angle DEF. E is a vertex, ED or DE. EF is a arms. Okay, name of the angle DEF. Now we see the types of angle. Now we see four types of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. Okay, acute angle means greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. That is between 0 and 90 degree. 1 degree to 89 degree is called acute angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. That is 91 degree to 179 degree is called the obtuse angle. Right angles means exactly 90 degree. Straight angles means exactly 180 degree. Okay, acute angle, what is the degree of acute angle? Between 0 degree to 19 degree. Obtuse angle 90 degree to 180 degree. Right angle exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. This is the diagram of angles. Okay, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. Now we classify the angles. Some examples. Okay, 30 degree. 30 degrees between the number of 0 to 90 degree. So is a acute angle. 90 degree right angle. 45 degree between the 0 to 90 degree. So this is a acute angle. 120 degree between of 90 to 180. So is the obtuse angle. Now we see the homework. Today's homework, I give 7 1 marks and classify the following angles. Okay, now we see 1 mark. The angles below 90 degree are called as below 90 degree. Yes, acute angle. Another 1 mark. You only answer it. Please write the answer and send me. Now recall the angles. What is angles? The figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point is called an angle. What are the parts of an angle? Arms. Arms, two rays is called arms. Vertex, common point is vertex. Name of the angles, you give alphabet ABC. And the types of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. Acute angles means greater than 0 degree to less than 90 degree. Obtuse angles means greater than 90 degree to less than 180 degree. Right angle exactly 90 degree. Straight angle exactly 180 degree. You do the homework and send the answer. Okay, thank you.